The latest official figures show a sharp slowdown in the UK's economic growth in the first 3 months of this year. Britons are spending less as inflation rises, linked to the fall in the value of the pound after last year's Brexit vote. Growth weakened to 0.3% in the period from January to March. That's the lowest it's been in a year and less than half the level it reached in the final 3 months of 2016. Growth had remained surprisingly strong even in the period after the referendum vote for Britain to leave the European Union. But now UK consumers are feeling the squeeze on their living standards as the weaker pound feeds through into prices. The dominant service sector, which accounts for around 80% of the UK economy, saw a big fall in growth. With an election due in June, Britain's finance minister preferred to focus on that rather than the gloomy growth figures.
Britain's economy is forecast to grow at 2% this year. The choice facing the British people on June the 8th is between 5 more years of strong, stable government under Theresa May that will lock that economic progress in and get the best possible Brexit deal for Britain, or a coalition of chaos under Jeremy Corbyn that'll crash our economy again.
Opposition political parties have accused the governing Conservatives of calling this election early precisely because they knew the economy was softening. Economists are forecasting that it will slow more in the coming months as inflation pulls ahead of earnings, further hitting people's purchasing power.